Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Wow, got a little excited there, huh? Okay, so I hear all the time when individuals are asking me what makes a business average, an average entrepreneur, and an amazing one. What makes them able to overcome all the things that you absolutely are going to have while you are starting, growing, or scaling your cleaning business? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly the number one thing that makes the difference in an average entrepreneur and an amazing entrepreneur that has success. I'm talking major success. We're talking anywhere, 6 figures, 7 million. All of that. What makes the difference? Okay, I'm going to tell you. You ready? Let's go. The number one thing that separates average entrepreneurs, cleaning business owners from amazing is the way they think. The number one thing that set me apart once I started to learn was how I thought about everything I did. And I mean this. Number one, are you intentional with your time? Think about what you're doing with your time. Watching a lot of television, on the phone, doing games, whatever that is. Be intentional with your time. We only have 24 hours. Now, some people use those 24 hours for something good, and others use the 24 hours for not so productive things. So set some time aside. Be mindful of your time. Big, big, big difference. Number two, how do you spend your money? Are you spending your money on fun things, clothes, and things like that? Or are you reinvesting back in the business? The more you reinvest back in the business, the more it's an investment and you're going to reap the benefits. Number three, do not be afraid to reach out and ask for help. It's not about doing it all on your own. It's about doing it as a team. Even though I got started and I was not a part of a franchise, I had a team. Definitely do not want you to think that I thought or that I did do this all on my own. In the beginning, I started out doing the cleaning, but was fortunate to meet someone that was like a mentor to me that gave me a lot of shortcuts. And even though I did not have a franchise, I did have someone that was ahead of me that I was able to keep control of my business. And they told me a lot about how to think. Mindset separates so many people from just getting started to well above them, and why some are average and some are amazing. So think about everything you do, be intentional. Do the goals. They may sound crazy, but they work. Write them down. All of that separates the people that normally do exceptionally well and those that give up or do average. So if you want to know anything else about mindset, goal setting, all of the things I talk about on a regular basis, then you know what you can do. Click the link in the description to make sure that you sign up for my free workshop Wednesdays and Thursdays. Wednesday government and Thursdays are commercial. Or you can reach out to me at 407-986-8228. Until next time and the next video, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.